Another South African plant that's in the iris family is Tritonia. It's a beautiful pink flower that's short. It's only like a foot tall at the most. And it has gorgeous blooms on it, like multi-blooms on one stem. And it's just a beautiful South African plant that loves the full sun. Tritonia are just a small little bulb. But don't be misled. A small bulb can produce a gorgeous flower. So it's just a little Hershey's Kiss candy again. Plant it with the eyes up about 3 inches deep. And I like to do a triangle as my base, at least 3 in a triangle or more. They like to be in groups. They call them blazing stars because they look like a big blaze of little stars coming out. Bright pink flowers. They're just a beautiful addition. And they're South African, so they're pretty hardy. Even the Northwest, you'll never lose them, as long as they're in full sun with good drainage. You can always throw them in a pot and then just throw them in the garage for the winter, let them dry out completely, and then put them back outside again in April, May. But every garden needs South African plants, and Tritonia is a hit. The next South African plant that we'll talk about is Babiana or baboon flower.